कैन बेसिकली प्ले ट्रूथ और डेयर विद इट। मुझे डैमेज भी करना है बट मुझे अच्छे बाल भी चाहिए। 20,000 रुपीज इन माई हैंड लिटरली। ये आपके बालों में जो जादू कर रहा है वो आपको आंखों से दिखेगा नहीं। आई वांट टू यूज इट बट आई हेट द पैकेजिंग। इज इट अ लाइफ चेंजिंग मॉइस्चराइजर? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am sharing my recent obsessions in beauty with y'all. बहुत time हो गया कि I have done a beauty favorites and somehow this year started with so many incredible launches plus like older products that just resurfaced for me and have truly become like my holy grails in my routine. ये सारे products जो मैं mention करूँगी कुछ भी sponsored नहीं है, ये सब या तो मैंने अपने खुद के पैसों से खरीदा है या because of my privileges of being a creator मुझे PR में आते हैं तो मैं बहुत प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करती हूँ। वैसे भी हर महीने आई हैव लिटरली लाइक अ रूटीन ऑफ विच न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव टू ट्राई बिकॉज आई हैव XYZ कोलैबोरेशंस बट डिस्पाइट एंड इंस्पाइट ऑल ऑफ दैट आई हैव मैनेज्ड टू लाइक जस्ट लव एंड यूज दीज मोस्ट रेगुलरली। वी हैव समथिंग इन द स्किन कैटेगरी, समथिंग इन परफ्यूम, फिर मेरे पास बॉडी केयर भी है, थोड़ा सा फेस केयर है। फेस केयर में इतने प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है एंड मेकअप में काफी प्रोडक्ट्स है मेरे पास। तो मोस्टली मैं सिर्फ नए प्रोडक्ट्स मेंशन करूंगी, ये सारे आपने मुझसे पहले नहीं सुना होगा। तो कुछ न्यू रिकमेंडेशंस आपको मिलेंगे। अगर आपको अभी खरीदना है तो आप खरीद सकते हो। सारे लिंक्स हमेशा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं डाल देती हूँ। अगर अभी नहीं कभी और आपको सेल पीरियड में लेना है तो आप तभी भी ले सकते हो। यू कैन ऑलवेज रेफर बैक टू दिस वीडियो। इफ दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम यू कम ऑन टू माय चैनल देन हाई, आई एम Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sara squad. I'm sure you're going to love it here. And also don't forget the bell icon right next to it so every time I upload a video you get notified. And with that we can head straight into this. ठीक है, सबसे पहले ना I'm going to start with a category that y'all seem to be loving on this channel and that is perfumes. Y'all are always looking for newer perfume recommendations because we all want to smell like a little different every single occasion. And अब इतने सारे affordable perfumes आ गए जो इतने सही मतलब diversity देते हैं. So recently, like literally what I'm wearing right now because I'm dressed for an event is this perfume from Nykaa. This is their new Moi range, like a French version of me. Moi means moi. Moi क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? Moi. Nykaa Moi. And this is in the rose quartz variant. I have a feeling this is like a dupe of some luxury perfume that I can't put a finger on. मेरे पास नहीं है ये परफ्यूम बट मैंने ऐसा मॉल में या कोई ड्यूटी फ्री में मैंने ऐसी परफ्यूम स्मेल की है इन द लग्जरी सेगमेंट। मुझे याद नहीं आ रही है कौन सी एग्जैक्ट होगी बट बेसिकली व्हाट यू स्मेल लाइक विद दिस इज एक्सपेंसिव, ओके, लाइक रियली एक्सपेंसिव। वेरी नाइस एमैल्गमेशन ऑफ सिट्रस विद मस्क एंड सेडरवुड। बहुत ही अच्छे लेयर्स है इस परफ्यूम के। मुझे नोट्स वगैरह कुछ पता नहीं है, अगर मुझे मिलेंगे ऑनलाइन तो मैं डाल दूंगी। बट बेसिकली इफ यू लाइक समथिंग दैट यू नो व्हेन यू गो इनसाइड ऑफ एक्सपेंसिव मॉल और आपको वो खुशबू अच्छी लगती है और आपको ऐसा लगता है मुझे भी ऐसी खुशबू में यू नो जीना है, तो देन दिस इज दैट। लाइक आई एम लिटरली स्मेलिंग सो एक्सपेंसिव राइट नाउ। दिस इज नॉट अ डे फ्रेग्रेंस, आई वुड से इट्स मोर लाइक अ डिनर डेट या आप यू नो इवनिंग में कहीं बाहर जा रहे हो तो उसके लिए इट इज गोना बी परफेक्ट। इट्स नॉट लाइक ऑफिस जाने वाला फ्रेग्रेंस बट आई ट्रूली डू रियली लाइक इट। बट ऑफ कोर्स परफ्यूम्स आर वेरी सब्जेक्टिव टू एवरीबॉडी एंड दिस इज अ लिटिल ऑन द प्रीमियम साइड। द बॉटल एंड ऑल आल्सो लुक्स रियली नाइस। आई लाइक द बॉटल, सो इट्स गोना लुक रियली नाइस ऑन योर वैनिटी। तो थोड़ी महंगी होगी शायद, मुझे पता नहीं, मुझे PR में आई थी, बट अगर थोड़ी महंगी भी है आप सोच सकते हो इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए। दिस इज नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय Nykaa and I have to say this because the next product is also from Nykaa. This is their Wanderlust range and आपको पता है ये रेंज मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है। मैंने लास्ट आई थिंक वैलेंटाइंस वीडियो में भी डाला था कि Nykaa की Wanderlust रेंज के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे से फॉर्मुलेटेड। आई फील लाइक they've got some perfumer on board with them and their fragrance like mixtures are just smelling so good and especially this mist, it really lasts long. Like the other mists I've used, Victoria's Secret, your Bath and Body, you name it, I've like used everything and mostly mists will not last long but this mist formula does last really long. And this new range that they've just come out with, the Sugar Plum Cherry, oh my god, it's exactly like a very expensive, again expensive bougie, but this is very like affordable. ये range बहुत affordable है, like a nice sexy sugary plum sweetness but like wine, like red wine and very nice. like मैं अभी स्प्रे करूंगी तो वो मिक्स हो जाएगी रोज क्वार्ट्ज के साथ but it would layer really nicely. It's got like that tonka bean extract and you know बहुत अच्छा मिक्सचर है। इसका परफ्यूम भी आता है, इसका मिस्ट भी आता है और इसका बॉडी वॉश भी आता है। करंटली मैं बॉडी वॉश यूज कर रही हूँ, इतना ही यूज हुआ है क्योंकि मैंने 2-3 वॉशेस से यूज किया है बट आई एम जस्ट बेसिकली बेसिंग ऑफ द सेंट। लाइक दिस एंटायर रेंज का स्मेल इज अगेन रियली नाइस एंड वेरी इवनिंग लाइक। नाउ दिस माइट नॉट बी एवरीवन्स कप ऑफ टी, लाइक सम पीपल माइट थिंक कि अरे ये एकदम मेडिसिनल स्मेल आ रहा है बिकॉज शुगर प्लम कैन बी अ लिटिल ऑन दैट साइड, सो इट्स नॉट एवरीवन्स कप ऑफ टी। इफ यू फाइंड अ Nykaa store near you, want to smell it and then buy, it's okay. Otherwise it's not that expensive also if you just want to take a shot maybe for college or just for your evening affairs, and you want to go out evening or go to the gym and smell something different. Like I've been spraying this to the gym and I really like that I smell unique because this is a unique fragrance altogether. Now one of my favorite body care brands, Plum Body Loving, has completely rebranded and now they are body loving primarily, and they've rebranded, the logos changed, everything's changed. उन्होंने उनके सारे products नई packaging में लेके आए हैं, and this is one of the new ranges. So they've always basically been known for their vanilla, caramel, pistachio, like the gourmand fragrances is what we know them for. But now their full new range is like summer fragrances, and safe to say they've nailed it. So Rita and I were called specially to the Plum team and they showed us all the new fragrances, the new logo, the new branding, and it looks really nice. It's very Pinterest coded, very colorful, just like the brand wants to stand out. And ये वाला जो particularly perfume mist है ये range में, ये बहुत long wearing है. आप देख सकते हो मुझे कब से मिल चुका है ये. These samples are already with me. I've been using it. I love all of them. They all have a unique scent in a unique place you might want to use them. But this is my favorite one. It's Boardroom in Bora Bora. I actually even took an Instagram form on my stories और मैंने पूछा था किसको, like the first 100 who will reach out on that form, they got early access and they were sent this perfume mist. So let me know in the comments if you were one of those people who received the Boardroom in Bora Bora perfume mist from me, because this is my favorite one. I won't spray it on myself because I already have so much perfume, but this is like what I'm going to be smelling on every one of my beach holidays. It's very fresh, but it's also very corporate. Like you can wear this to office, and which is why they're calling it Boardroom in Bora Bora. Like you want to be in your boardroom era, like I am in my boardrooms all the time, but you want to be thinking of Bora Bora when you smell like this. It's a really nice play on words. I really like the new branding, everything. Plus Plum Body Loving is so inexpensive. So if you want new body mists for your day-to-day, then you should check out the new summer range from Body Loving. And another perfume that they launched before their rebrand was this Juice or Dare. Now I wouldn't say कि ये मेरी particularly go-to रही है, but it's a very nice gift if you want to give someone, because one, the perfume bottle is very cute. It has this base over here, so basically Juice or Dare ना तो it's like ऐसे आप रख के उसको घुमा सकते हो and it will spin. So this bottle spins and you can basically play truth or dare with it. It's such a fun concept. I love that they play with that. It's like strawberry, but a very fresh and sexy strawberry, much like this Nykaa range. But this is more on the tonka bean extract. ये थोड़ा कम है. This is more fresh strawberries. Like this is literally smelling like my strawberry iced tea from Impulse. Like very fresh strawberries. And if you like strawberry as a fruit, it's my favorite. Then you will love this. The reason I don't wear this that often is because I have a daily scent already. I don't experiment a lot. But a lot of people will love this. So I thought it would be a great gifting option. I do like it. I don't wear it. But अगर आपको पहनना है, you can definitely try out. Now I have a new brand over here. And इनकी deodorant stick मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग गई है. ये अब भी आया literally मुझे PR में. And basically इनका claim है कि no stains, and actually they hold true to claim. But apart from that no stain aspect, I do also really like the freshness of this smell. This one is the Morning Person. By the way, it's called the Lani Clear Deodorant Stick. The Morning Person one basically smells like yuzu, basil and neroli, and it is such a nice combination of this fragrance. It's so yummy, like oh, it's like lemonade, literally like lemonade, and you want to roll some lemonade on your underarms, and it is clear. तो इसमें ना तो कोई white residue है, ना कोई color है, इसमें parabens नहीं है, sulfates नहीं है, कुछ भी ऐसे गंदी चीजें नहीं है जिससे आपको pigmentation होगा, alcohol नहीं है, तो pigmentation का भी problem नहीं है और stains का problem नहीं है. Basically wanted a stain free deodorant because most of the deodorants I have, once I wear like a sports bra or something, फिर उस पर marks लग जाते हैं. So I'm really loving this. Love the fragrance, love the formula, love everything about it. If you want to try out a new deodorant which is all clean beauty and no toxins, then you want to try this out. Now we come to hair care. Now I have been very obsessed with taking care of my hair in the last 2 years because I do love doing my curling and I love styling my hair. I want to keep my curly girl routine also, but I also want to color my hair. मुझे damage भी करना है but मुझे अच्छे बाल भी चाहिए. तो ये सब के बीच में इतने ज़्यादा products try किए, and you must have seen me recommend a lot over the years, but now recently in the last 6 months I'm using these and I'm loving these. Now I have to say that even though this literally takes a kidney and a half, this is the hair growth serum that I have finished in the last 6 months. 4 bottles. हर 20 दिन में मेरे घर पे इसकी नई बॉटल आती है क्योंकि रीत और मैं दोनों obsessively Kérastase का anti hair genesis, ये जो भी anti hair fall serum है, इसको use कर रहे हैं. It is really very effective. You can see I've emptied bottle number 1, bottle number 2, bottle number 3, and I'm on my bottle number 4 half, and I think more than this also has been emptied because Reet also has male pattern balding and I also have male pattern balding. balding. It's very common with PCOS, it's very common in males, and both of us were so stressed like 2 years back. We were both like इतने बाल झड़ रहे, इतने बाल झड़ रहे. हमको लगा बॉम्बे के हार्ड वाटर की वजह से झड़ रहे हैं, but whatever it was, we were like कुछ करना है, and we've tried a lot of hair growth. I've tried my Wishcare, I've tried my Be Body Wise, I've tried my L'Oreal, I've tried all of them, and they're all effective, but they are not so fast and so effective as this one is. Of course, because this is also 6,000 rupees. Please keep in mind कि ये एक बॉटल जो एक महीने में खत्म हो जाती है वो 6,000 रुपए की है. That's how effective it is. But if you have that money you want to spend on your hair and you want to keep a healthy hair on your head, then I say it's worth it, because I am spending on it and I am telling you, मेरे को एक भी बार ना PR आया ना पेड कैंपेन आया है, इसका कुछ भी नहीं आया है. मैंने खुद के पैसों से खरीद के, मैंने एक्चुअली एक दिन I was at an event and I was telling some influencer that I'm having a lot of hair fall and you know it's nothing seemed to be helping me. I'm getting like new hair growth with the Wishcare one, but my hair is still falling. So that is something I was very stressed about, and that's what when I complained to that influencer, okay, what do you do for hair fall, because she had really beautiful hair and she's a mother, so she was like, you know, the Kerasta's hair fall serum has really helped me with postpartum hair fall. अरे postpartum के साथ help किया मतलब कुछ होगा उसमें, क्योंकि postpartum you tend to have a lot of hair fall, right? After you've given birth, your hormones suddenly dip and then you have a lot of hair fall. So I bought it and ever since then, like, it's genuinely been very effective. It's genuinely very good, and if you have the money, I would highly recommend you trying this out. I didn't ever want to mention this before because it's so expensive, तो मुझे बिना खुद try किए नहीं recommend करना था. But पिछले 2-3 महीनों से this is the only hair serum which I have been using, and now I can tell you isolatedly that this is working for me because I eliminated everything else and I was just using this. So with that, this is my honest organic feedback. Nothing like this is my money, like about 20,000 rupees in my hand literally. And if you want to spend that kind of money, you can. Another product from Kerasta's, but I wouldn't say this is a must-have or it's hair transformative. It's a nice hair serum. I got it because they sent it to me in PR. I did a paid campaign also for them. It is excellent for frizz control. It is really, really very good for frizz control. What I like is that you also get this refill separately. तो अगर आपको packaging का कुछ मतलब interest नहीं है तो आप ये अलग से खरीद सकते हो this hair serum. But I also feel like the L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Oil, अपना L'Oreal का जो golden bottle आता है, वो serum का formula इससे बहुत ज़्यादा close है. Just that is a little more thicker and this is more fluidy. I love applying this on my damp hair, especially when I'm going to do heat styling, because it also has heat protection over here. Excellent for frizz control, and this is the only hair serum I've been using currently, along with my ProMend hair oil from Nexus. But this one I use specifically for bond repair. So on my damp hair I use this, and then after that if I'm going to heat style then I'll use this. If not, then जब मैं curly girl routine करती हूँ तो gel लगाने के बाद if I want to break my hair का cast, gel cast, then मैं ये use करती हूँ. So these are my hair oil, hair serum options right now. I'm not very big on chumpy. I'm not very big on hair oiling क्योंकि मेरा like combination scalp है. मेरा कभी बहुत dry हो जाता है, कभी बहुत oily होता है. And anyways, chumpy is not something that helps you grow long hair or like keep it, just for hair conditioning. So for hair conditioning, I use this, and genuinely, you will not realize what this is doing for you till you go ahead and damage your hair. Like you will use it and you'll be like, इतना महंगा है, कुछ कर नहीं रहा है. ये आपके बालों में जो जादू कर रहा है वो आपको आंखों से दिखेगा नहीं. It's repairing your hair bonds and you will not feel it. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आपके बाल कम टूट रहे हैं या you won't understand all that. But when you go ahead and do a hair treatment, or if you go and color your hair, that's when you'll come to know that because you were using this regularly, now your hair is able to take that color and not break your hair. Like after hair color, usually I have so much hair fall and hair breakage, but I have none of that now because I was actually treating my hair without knowing it. Subconsciously, I was constantly treating my hair with this, and then I colored my hair. So my hair took the color also beautifully, and there has been no breakage after that, like a crazy amount of hair fall. So this does repair your hair bonds on a very molecular level. Damp hair पे लगाओ, और मैं रात को सोने से पहले इसको dry hair ends पे भी लगाती हूँ. अगर मुझे थोड़ा slick back भी चाहिए होगा ना तो मैं ये यूज करती हूँ, because this is थोड़ा सा on the thicker side, and अभी 1 साल से I'm using this, और मेरी first bottle में अभी भी थोड़ा product है. So even if you buy one, you will easily been using it for like 2 years, because you don't need a lot of product, or you don't need to like saturate your hair with this. So you just need a little bit. So it's like a one-time investment for an easy 2 years for sure. Now if you want something more on the affordable side with bond repair, then Dove's hair masks, hair treatment products are beautiful. Recently got this, the Peptide Bond Strength Leave-In Creme Serum. Great even for curly girls. Once you have your hair damp, तो आप थोड़ा सा लेके scrunch up करो. It's going to repair your bonds and give you some hold also for your curls. It's a leave-in conditioner, leave-in cream that doesn't have a lot of hold. it's not just for hold, it's basically for bond repair. So bond repair उन लोगों को करने की जरूरत है जिन्होंने बेसिकली बहुत हीट स्टाइल किया है, बहुत कलर किया है बालों को, या आपने अगर कोई ट्रीटमेंट करा रखा है जैसे बोटॉक्स हो गया, केराटिन हो गया, ऐसे कुछ ट्रीटमेंट की आपके बॉन्ड्स खराब हो गए हैं एंड नाउ यू नीड फिक्सिंग, देन यू नीड टू ट्राई प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक द प्रोमेंड, द K18 or like this Dove one. Very good. It's like, I wouldn't say it's a dupe for K18 because K18 is like very advanced technology. This is affordable but it is good. Dove के hair masks बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. Like I always use एक Dove hair mask तो मेरे bathroom में आपको मिलेगा ही. So there's some days where I'm like, okay, today only the Dove hair mask will repair my hair. Actually just got this in PR, the Olaplex Rich Hydration Mask. Olaplex is another brand like K18 that I really trust with my hair repair. This smells so nice, like as if I'm in some salon in Bali or something. It's got this beachy salon like smell and a very creamy hair mask. ऐसा लगता है मलाई लेके बालों पे लगा रहे हैं. It's for hydration. So if you have dry hair, my hair is very dry because I color it so often, ends up very dry, then you can apply this and you'll really like the difference you're seeing with this hair mask. Now another D2C homegrown brand that I came across in like a PR that was sent from Nykaa to me. It's called Hibiscus Monkey. It's their velvet spray in shower moisturizer. I really find the packaging a little childish, but and I also don't like this squirty thing. मुझे पैकेजिंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं अच्छी लगी क्योंकि उसका देख मेरे फर्नीचर पे चला गया. इसका इतना इनएक्यूरेट स्प्रे है, एकदम ऐसा वाला स्प्रे, एकदम पॉइंटेड. बट दिस व्हाटएवर दिस प्रोडक्ट इज, it firstly smells like JW Marriott's spa range, like as if I've entered the JW Marriott spa. This is a squalene one. I think they have multiple. No, ये वाला कौन सा है? पर्पल वाला. इस पे लिखा नहीं, बट जब उस दिन मैं नायका पे जाके आप लोग को मुझे रेकमेंड करना था, I was seeing ना इसमें there are like a lot of ranges. ये वो blue purple वाला. It's not cheap in any way. This 250 ml bottle is for 1000 rupees, but the ingredients are really nice. Like there is so many oils. It's just oils. It's sesame oil, castor oil, canola oil, soya bean oil, sweet almond oil, then hibiscus oil extract, geranium oil, patchouli oil, rosemary oil. It's only oils and oils. So it's expensive for a reason because it's literally तेल that you're applying. तो मैंने पहले इसको dry body पे लगा रही थी. जब मैं पूरी सूख के आ जाती थी shower से, I was applying it and I was not liking it at all because after application, no, it was becoming papdi and coming out. But then I saw one video of the founder, मुझे ads पे आया था, and then I saw that she's saying कि गीली body पे लगाओ. तो गीली body पे when I put this, I loved it. So as soon as my body is damp in the shower only, I spray this and I spread it on my body, so it's like a shower oil. Now my body's absorbed the oil really nicely. It's smelling incredible and I don't have to apply any body lotion after coming out. So if you use it correctly, it's a really nice product. But I genuinely wish they changed the packaging because the packaging is inconvenient to use and I also don't like the packaging. Like the designing and all looks a little childish. बट लाइक उन्होंने इधर देखो कैसा मेंशन किया कि स्प्रे ऐसा निकल रहा है, बट एक्चुअली इनका स्प्रे ऐसे नहीं निकलता है. इट इज लाइक एक ऐसा शरण हट रही है क्योंकि उसमें ऐसा इट कम्स आउट लाइक अ पिचकारी, लाइक सी वेट आई कैन यू सी इट्स कमिंग आउट लाइक दिस. इट्स नॉट कमिंग आउट लाइक ऐसा. इट शुड कम आउट लाइक दैट, राइट? यूज इट ऑन वेट skin and use it if you don't like to apply body cream but you want intense hydration and you want to smell really nice when you come out of the shower, then that's what this is going to be doing for you. I am actually obsessed with it, but I don't like the packaging, so every day I'm like, oh, I want to use it but I hate the packaging. So I think I'm just going to change the bottle and put it in like a nice bottle. Like I want the bottle to be something like this so that the spray is like evenly spreading on my body. Is it that they can't put oil in that consistency? I think yeah, they can't put. Then they need to give aisa wala bottle. But they call it velvet spray. The naming and the packaging has not gone hand in hand. Seems like a real D2C problem. I can understand, okay, I'm a founder myself, my sympathies, but it's a good product. No doubt it's a very good product. Now coming to Korean skincare, because so much Korean skincare has now come to India and I'm all about it, okay? Korean skincare मुझे पहले बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था एक ज़माने में, but now with the recent technology, recent innovation and the kind of distribution they are doing in India, like we get everything in India now. These two brands के products I was seeing everywhere, so I got it. I'm also on Nykaa sometimes like a consumer and just scrolling to see what's new, and I go ahead and shop a lot of products to review for y'all. So this is the serum I've been using every morning and I kid you not, this pigment over here, this acne mark was so bad. इतना बड़ा भद्दा सा पिंपल आया था ना मेरी शक्ल पे, इतना गुस्सा आ रहा था उस पिंपल पे कि मैंने फाइनली उसको फोड़ दिया. After years I have broken a pimple so big and it had so much blood and pus, and of course I knew it was going to pigment so badly and leave such a bad mark, and that's just when I had ordered this. So regularly and religiously every morning I have applied this, and I have never seen a pigment of an acne mark fade so fast when it was so big and dark. Genuinely a very very effective serum. This is I think 1500 rupees for this, but it's a good, like मैं कब से daily use कर रही हूँ, अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है. One pump only I take, I don't take a lot. ये ढक्कन के साथ भी आता है, but ढक्कन मेरा गुम हो गया. It's the Dark Spot Correction Glow Serum from Axis Y. So it has niacinamide, it has squalene and Hippopharaminoids fruit extract. It's a 6+1+1 advanced formula. So clearly it is, because it showed effect. Now this one I've seen so much hype for, the Dr. Althea 345 moisturizer. It is a good moisturizer. It is a moisturizer. If you have 2000 rupees to put on a moisturizer, it is a good moisturizer. Is it a life-changing moisturizer? I don't think so. It is a nice moisturizer. I don't like the packaging. Again, ये जो metal की tube है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे पूरा end तक use करना है, but मैं इसको कर रही हूँ तो बाहर से, you know, the cuts are coming and then it's leaking from other sides. So I'm not liking that. They also have launched a toner spray. Now that I'm interested to try, because I think the formula and the formulation is such that you will really like a spray bottle of this, because I like the texture. It is a creamy texture, but at the end of the day, it is what, like it's squalene and your peptides. You tell me to select between this and my Clinique Moisture Surge. Clinique Moisture Surge. I always compare like 2000 rupee moisturizers with Clinique Moisture Surge. So for me, it's Clinique Moisture Surge over this. It's a nice moisturizer. I just wish it was doing a little more for me. Now this product, oh, this is a really good cleansing balm, you guys. Really, 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 really nice. And I know you all will be like, Sara, har mahina aapko naya cleansing balm acha lagta hai. This one takes the money. Like, this is genuinely very good. This is Pharmacy's Honey Vanilla Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. What a formula. Firstly, it smells like cupcakes. So it smells like I'm removing my makeup in the night and I'm like sugar craving max. मेरी satisfy हो रही है इसके साथ. Plus बहुत अच्छे से ये makeup पूरा melt कर देता है. I cannot explain that no makeup cleansing balm has cleansed for me the way this one has, so easily and so effectively. With very little product, it will leave nothing on your face, no residue, no oily residue, nothing. I do this and directly wash my face. I don't even need to double cleanse with this. That's how effective it is. Even like my full face of cakey makeup, like if I've done a lot of foundation, lot of powders, then also this will remove everything. Like today I've done quite the makeup and this will remove very effectively. Loving this cleansing balm. I will go ahead and repurchase if it's over. And Pharmacy is a very good brand. I also got the moisturizer, but I didn't like it itna. But the cleansing balm is superb. Now for makeup, I'm just going to mention the products that I'm currently obsessed because they're new launches. Like if I've mentioned this in the past, I'm not mentioning to you. First, I went for this launch to the Juhu Beach. You saw Ramzan ke time pe, Rose ke time pe, I went for this launch. I was very excited for the idea of it because they had already sent me products and I had tried it ghar pe. And for the first time ever, I have to say that Lakme performed in the terms of foundation. Now don't get me wrong, bachpan se Lakme ke foundations have been foundations that my mom, my sister, everyone has worn. But as a brown skin girl, I never felt represented in the Lakme shade category. मुझे कभी भी shade मिलता ही नहीं था उनके foundation में. तो while I knew that they aced lipsticks, they never could ace foundation for me. So as soon as this collab came, I was like, मुझे match नहीं होने वाला है shade, रहने दो, मैं नहीं लेती हूँ collab. But they were like, Sara, आप try तो करके देखो. And the minute I saw this, I was like, are you for real? Like this cushion foundation is exactly my shade match. This is in the shade Neutral Almond and it is literally every brown girl's dream foundation. It is so good. The formula is so good only. Lakme knew how to make formulas. The problem was shade and they aced it. Like it's the cushiony finish, like your exactly how your Tear foundation is, but in fact this is even more hydrating than Tear. So it might not dry in the packaging as early as the Tear one dried for us. So very very nice formula. Like look at that matte, बहुत ही अच्छा पिगमेंट है इसका. मेरे हाथ पे एक पिगमेंटेशन का मार्क है, मुझे कुकर से जल गया था एक जमाने में, तो वो मार्क भी इसने इतने अच्छे से छुपा दिया. एकदम कवरेज मस्त है, मेरा शेड मैच परफेक्ट है you guys, and Lakme really did it with this. So when I'm going to travel next, I'm really going to be just traveling with this. The formula is perfect. It feels lightweight on the skin. It blends very nicely. The coverage is full coverage, and my brown skin girls, we finally have a cushion foundation we're going to love. In fact, the undertone is just right for me. I have never had such a good shade match, in fact, like like I did with this Lakme Haya Beach Edit. I'm very impressed with the entire range. Even the blush stick बहुत अच्छी है, मैंने वो वीडियो में भी दिखाया है और मैं अभी ऑफिस में रखी हूँ. I keep one makeup kit in the office. तो blush stick भी बहुत अच्छी है. It's like your Pixie का वो जो वायरल जा रहा था ना बीच में, Pixie का blush stick, वैसा same to same formula है. And lipstick तो we always know that Lakme knows how to make their lipstick. So lipstick is also very nice. Like this lip liner is on one side. It's a nice thick lip liner. Haya Beach बोला है तो hydrating, and all of this makeup by the way has SPF in it. So that's why it's called the beach edit, and that's why they made us do makeup in the sun. So to just test through the sun and the humidity, it stays through all of that. Also, it was a very nice event. It was just like very hot that day, and I was also fasting, so that was like a bummer for me because I was fasting. I was so dehydrated. So many of like my audience was there at the event and wanted to come up to me, but I was so dehydrated that I couldn't meet anyone nicely. I just wanted to get my work done and leave. That was my energy for the shoot. But I love this lipstick also. I keep it. This is all in my this pouch, and ये pouch मेरे bag में रहता है, office bag में. So these are my office lipsticks. So this lipstick is like 2-in-1. It has a lipstick on one side and a lip liner on the other. I love this shade. This shade is called After Hours Nude. This is the lip combo that you will love. Like put the lip liner, lipstick, and उनका ऐसा lip balm भी है जो मेरे office में currently the same shade में. This is the pink lip balm. This is called Raspberry Sorbet. This is a brown one also. What a beautiful lip combo. Raspberry Sorbet is very very Rani pink, but this is also very good lip balm formula. Hydrating but also leaves a nice tint on your lips, so you'll love these lip balms too. Now in lip balm category, I have two other lip balms, and clearly brown is my color. I love brown lipsticks. I love brown lip balm. I love like brown on my lip, brown on brown. So this is the Laneige Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum in chocolate frosting. Does it leave a tint on your lips? No. But is it the most delicious tasting lip balm on your lips? Absolutely. So delicious. Like yummy, yummy, yummy. And literally chocolate frosting will taste like chocolate frosting. I love this tip applicator also. It's not messy at all and it applies very nicely. It is an expensive lip balm though, but very hydrating and not at all goopy. Now, Body Lovin' also has launched lip balm. This is the first of its kind for them because they haven't yet done lip balms in their range. And if you are a coffee lover like me, oh my god, Kapi Tiramisu is my favorite lip balm. Like this one straight up smells like bitter coffee, not your sweet frappuccino ice cream coffees. If you're a coffee lover like me, coffee lover, you will love this. This literally smells like filter coffee met your ground coffee beans and had a marriage, and they're so happy in this marriage. Like so yummy licious, like very very nice, like smells so.
You talk like one of those AI.
Yeah, like if my products could talk, they would talk like this. And you see the AI video that Impulse did. It's so fun and I love it. Body Loving's new lip balm, absolutely worth it. Very hydrating, loving it. This is in my bedroom and this is in my office table. So I have a little bit of lip balm happening. I'm a lip balm paglu, you all know that. Now Nykaa Bridgerton killed it with this lipstick. My mom is obsessed, I'm obsessed, Sabrina is obsessed. एक तो shades इतने प्यारे लाए ना उन्होंने. There is something for everybody. So all of us got our shade from that. And the packaging is so pretty too. Like if you want to gift this to somebody, it will be such a nice gift to give someone. In the entire range, we gave Sabrina the eyeshadow palette as a birthday gift and she loved it. Like the entire range is so beautiful looking and just very picturesque. So it's a beautiful range in packaging and formula. The formula is also very long wearing, and this is Sweet Surrender. It is pinky nude, and you all were asking me because I just did like a video trying new makeup wala video, and उसमें मैंने ये lipstick दिखाई थी. So everyone wanted to know what shade it is, and it's Sweet Surrender. Would it look good today? I have so many lipsticks on my lip right now. I think the liquid lipstick era is not gone, but the bullet lipstick era is definitely back. Like this year, a lot of brands launched bullet lipsticks and a lot of good ones. Like already I have got 3 bullet lipstick in my collaborations. I've got the Maybelline Serum, A Kind, and Pilgrim. Yeah, Pilgrim's is matte even. But I'm more of a, like I like bullet lipsticks. Great for office use because I don't want to apply. Actually, I've been noticing कि मैं liquid lipstick लगा के office नहीं जाती हूँ. मैं bullet lipstick लगा के office जाती हूँ क्योंकि पूरा दिन टिकना होता है ना lipstick, तो वो टिकती भी है, apply भी कर सकते हैं and dry भी नहीं होती. तो I like that combination a lot. Pilgrim में I use this color. It's called Cinnamon Lust and it's a darker color. I use this on Eid. So I'll pop a picture of Eid over here for y'all to see what kind of a color this is. That's about it for everything that's new and that has me obsessed in the beauty category. Sorry guys, there was a point at which my mic gave up and it was not charged, so not connected. But I hope you all heard me nonetheless loud and clear and enjoyed watching this video. Actually, I asked you all on Instagram broadcast what kind of videos you want to see from me on Reels, on YouTube, and a lot of you all were like, we're missing your beauty long form. So here you have it. My beauty long form is back. What else do you want to see videos on specific topics? Vlog तो मैं करती ही रहती हूँ, but उसके अलावा आपको क्या देखना है? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasko Shout goes to Ann Pinto. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of this video, Sasko Shout, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also, you comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and you get a chance to be part of my next video, Sara Squad Shoutout. I will get very soon. Bye guys, love you.